Hi guys, this video is about clothes in Mandarin Chinese. In this video, we are learning to say different clothes, to recognize the most commonly used verbs, and to talk about the clothes people wear. First, let's get started with the new words. 裤子 裙子 连衣裙 校服 T 恤 毛衣 卫衣 外套 大衣 衬衫 鞋 手套 帽子 围巾 袜子 领带 Now, let's read out all the new words together. 裤子 裙子 连衣裙 校服 大衣 外套 T 恤 毛衣 卫衣 衬衫 鞋 手套 帽子 围巾 袜子 领带 Next, let's take a look at the most important verbs. The first one is 穿, which is used to talk about the clothes you wear, such as 穿 T 恤 wear a t-shirt, 穿裤子 wear pants, 穿鞋 wear shoes. When talking about the accessories people wear, we need a different verb, 戴. For example, 戴眼镜 wear glasses, 戴围巾 wear a scarf, 戴帽子 wear a hat. The third one is 带, which means bring along. The pronunciation is the same as the previous one, but is written differently. It is often used when talking about things or clothes we take on holidays with us. For instance, 带相机 take a camera with you, 带机票 bring along the air ticket, 带地图 bring along the map, etc. How about you? When you go on holidays, what would you bring along? 你带什么? Draw a picture with all the things that you would take with you and then try to say it in Chinese. To describe what people wear, the sentence structure we use is very simple. The subject can be one of the personal pronouns. 我 你 他 她 Which verb to use depends on what the person wears. For example, she wears a dress. 她穿连衣裙 If she's wearing a hat, in Chinese, we need a different verb, because hat is an accessory. Do you know how to say it? That's right. 她戴帽子 To ask people what they're wearing or what they plan on wearing for the day, we use this question. 你今天穿什么? What are you wearing today? To answer it, we need this sentence structure. 我今天穿 Simply add the clothes you wear to the end. Say if you're wearing school uniform. Do you know how to say it? Give it a go. 我今天穿校服 Of course, you may also want to talk about the accessories you wear to extend your answers, but don't forget to use the correct verb. The sentence structure remains the same. It is the verb that we need to be super cautious with. So, what are you wearing today? 你今天穿什么? Answer it in Mandarin Chinese. To add a bit more details, we can talk about the colors of the clothes or their patterns and fabric. For example, if you want to mention the color of the t-shirt you're wearing today, simply add the color to the front of it. Say a blue t-shirt, 蓝色 T 恤 A red t-shirt, 红色 T 恤 How about a green t-shirt? 绿色 T 恤 Do you know how to say brown t-shirt? That's right. 棕色 T 恤 If the shirt you're wearing has checkered pattern, it's 格子衬衫. If it's a striped shirt, in Chinese, it's 条纹衬衫. The word order remains the same as English. Sometimes we might also want to mention what the clothes is made out of, such as a woolen jacket, 羊毛外套, cotton jacket, 棉外套, denim jacket, 牛仔外套. To sum up, whether you want to talk about the color, pattern, or material of any piece of clothing, simply add this information to the front of it. Don't forget to complete the quiz on clothes when you're ready. Click the embedded link here to access the quiz. Good luck! See you in the next one!